Hey guys, welcome to HD Digital, and this is Nikon D810 DSLR. We have purchased this from Paytm. As you can see, Paytm promise. So we'll unbox this device right now. We'll show you what we get in the box. And you can see packing is really very nice, no complaints about that. that's all about the unboxing of the D810, and I purchased this separate lens, Nikon 24 to 120mm VR lens that did came along with the camera. And the other accessories I use with the D810 is this L bracket. This also I purchased separately from Amazon. This is a cheap L bracket. It is about 600 rupees, Indian rupees. There is a special version of L bracket available for D810 specially. There is a costlier one. It costs about 8,000 Indian rupees. And this silicone cover you can see here. I have already applied this. You can see. This is to protect from dust. This is called Easy Cover for D810. This also costs around 2,500 rupees in Amazon. There is a glass protection applied already, you can see here. This came directly from Nikon. And there is another glass protection came free with this silicone cover, but I have not applied that as this is previously already applied. Along with that, I already made a review about this SMDV RFN4S. This is the remote shutter release for specially designed for Nikon D810. I don't know can it be used in D850 or not, but I'm pretty sure it's working very well with the D810. I've already tested it on the field. So you need this is the receiver, this is the shutter release remote, and this is a AAA battery. This is a rechargeable AAA battery. You have to insert this in this shutter release, and this is the receiver. It will get power from the D810 directly. So that is all the accessories you saw I used with the D810. So that's all about the unboxing of the Nikon D810, and hope you liked it. If you liked, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time in another interesting video. Until then, it's bye for now.